Here we are back again with another amazing video. Our today's video is about to show you some human shaped metal art design ideas that will inspire you and that will help you to reduce your carbon footprint and reduce your scrap metal art sculpture that despite the human form are a captivating and a unique way to express your creativity and the bring to intimate materials. These art pieces, often crafted from steel, iron, and the other materials, can be displayed indoor or the outdoors, and they can make a bold statement in any space. Here are some design ideas for human-shaped metal art that are sure to be inspired. One popular design approach is to create abstract representation of the human body using metal. This can involve using geometric shapes, curves, and the lines to depict different body parts such as head, torso, arms, legs, and use a negative space can also be add depth and the complexity to the design. Metal art sculpture that capture the human body in a dynamic pose can convey a sense of movement and the energy. For example, a sculpture that depicts a dancer midway and the runner a full scenario can evoke a sense of grace, strength, and the vitality. The use of following lines and curves in the metal work can further enhance the sense of motion and create a visually dynamic piece of art. And other design approaching is the metal art sculpture that focus on, you can say that, capturing the emotion and the expression of the human, and also can be incredible powerful from sense smile to the possessiveness. This sculpture can convey a wide range of emotion and tell the story of evoke a particular mood. In conclusion, human-shaped metal art sculpture offer a wide range of design possibilities from abstract, realistic, emotion, and the intricate, and incorporating recycled materials to culture influence, making them a perfect choice for the art enthusiast, a collector alike, whether displayed in a gallery, public place, or the private home. Human-shaped metal art can make a powerful artistic statement and become a focal point of admiration and the considerations.